Why do you look so upset? Did something happen?
My mom yelled at me for coming home late. I feel really bad about it.
What did she say to you?
She said I never listened to her. I didn't know what to say.
Do you want to get dinner together tonight?
I really want to, but I don't have much money right now. Maybe next time.
I know how you feel. I need to save money this month too.
Yeah, I've been spending too much lately. I need to be more careful. You don't look okay today. What's wrong?
I had a big fight with my boyfriend last night. I'm still upset.
Was it a serious fight?
Yeah, it was. We aren't really talking to each other right now. You look really tired today. Are you okay?
Not really. I didn't sleep much last night. I feel so tired.
Why couldn't you sleep?
I kept thinking about work. I just couldn't relax.
How is work going these days?
Honestly, it's been really stressful. I feel tired most days.
What's going on?
My boss keeps giving me too much work. I don't know how to deal with it. You seem really quiet today. Are you okay?
I'm just not feeling well today. I don't know why.
Do you want to talk about it?
Not right now. I just need some time alone.
Why are you smiling like that? You look so happy.
I think I like someone. I can't stop thinking about her.
Really? Tell me more. Who is it?
I get really nervous every time I see her. I don't know what to do. You look really stressed. What happened?
I made a mistake at work. I think my boss will be really angry.
Was it a big mistake?
Kind of. I feel really bad and I keep thinking about it. Why were you late today? I was worried about you.
I overslept and missed my alarm. I hate when that happens.
That happens sometimes. Don't worry too much.
I know, but I really hate being late. It makes me feel bad.
What are you going to do today?
Honestly, nothing. I just don't feel like doing anything today.
Same here. I just want to stay in bed all day.
Exactly. Sometimes you just need a day like this.
You look really annoyed. What's going on?
I don't know. Everything feels annoying today. I can't explain it.
Sounds like a bad day. Yeah, I just want today to be over. You don't look well today. Are you okay?
Not really. I think I'm getting sick. My throat hurts a little.
You should get some rest today.
Yeah, I think I should get some sleep. How have you been lately? You don't look happy. Honestly, I feel so lonely these days. I haven't seen my friends in a long time. Let's hang out soon. Yes, I really want to. That would be really nice.
You seem really happy today. Did something good happen?
Yeah, I had a really good day today. I'm in such a good mood.
That's great to hear. I'm happy for you.
Thanks. I wish every day could be like this. You look worried. What are you thinking about?
I just have a lot of problems right now. It's hard to focus.
Do you want to talk about it? It might help.
Maybe later. I need to think things through first. Do you exercise these days? You look different.
Yeah, I started going to the gym recently.
How is it going so far?
It's really hard, but I feel much better after each workout.
That's great to hear. Keep it up.
Thanks. I will. You look so full. How much did you eat?
Way too much. I just kept eating and couldn't stop.
Same here. I already regret it.
Me too. I really need to stop doing this. He said something really weird. Everyone went quiet.
Yeah, no one knew what to say.
That was so awkward. I felt really uncomfortable.
Me too. I didn't know what to say at all. You're always on your phone. Do you ever put it down?
I know, I really need to stop. It's becoming a bad habit.
It's hard though. I do the same thing.
Yeah, I keep checking it without thinking. It's a little scary.
Do you regret what happened?
Yeah, I really do. I wish I made a different choice.
What are you going to do now?
I'm going to try to fix it. I don't want to make the same mistake again. Did you do anything today?
Not really. I took a nap and slept for like 3 hours.
3 hours? That's so long.
I know. Now I can't sleep at night. I always do this. Hey, do you want to hang out today? Not today. I just need some time alone. That's totally okay. Don't worry about it. Thank you for understanding. It means a lot to me.
Why are you laughing like that? What happened?
Something really funny just happened. I can't stop thinking about it.
Come on, tell me. I want to know.
Okay, you will love this story. It was so crazy.
You look really nervous. Are you okay?
I have a really important meeting today. I'm feeling a lot of pressure.
Try to relax. I'm sure you'll do well.
I hope so. I prepared a lot, but I'm still nervous. You seem so excited today. What's going on?
Yeah, I've been waiting for this all week. I can't believe it's finally here.
That's awesome! I hope everything goes well.
Thank you. I really can't wait. I'm so ready for this.
Great job! You just practiced a real-life English conversation. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your English will become. Come back and practice again anytime. See you in the next lesson.